and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of product design and taking a look at the top realistic mock-up trends that will dominate 2025. In 2025, we'll see a continued shift away from flat minimalist mock-ups towards more realistic and immersive designs. The goal is to create visuals that feel tangible and evoke emotions. Trend 1. Hyper-realistic mock-ups. Hyper-realistic mock-ups will be all the rage. Think detailed textures, realistic lighting, and lifelike materials. These mock-ups will create a truly immersive experience for viewers. Trend 2. Environmental mock-ups. Environmental mock-ups will become more popular as designers strive to showcase products in context. This will help viewers understand how the product fits into their lives. Trend 3. Interactive mock-ups. Interactive mock-ups will take user experience to the next level. By adding animations and micro interactions, designers can create engaging and informative mock-ups. By staying ahead of these trends, you can create eye-catching and effective product mock-ups that will help you stand out in 2025. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.